In this video, I'm going to talk about two types of content: evergreen content and trending content. So what is evergreen content? Evergreen content is a content that is useful for a long period of time. It doesn't have a specific range, a specific time period. It's valuable and it is useful for a long period of time. Let me give you an example. Suppose there is a new launch of iPhone and you are making a product video. It is it is product, so you are making a video on product, and whenever you are writing on product review, whenever the new version of that product available in the market, then like old version content, like there is iPhone 16 and iPhone 17 comes in the market, then the iPhone 16 content is not useful as compared to iPhone 17. So what happens, it's not evergreen content. So product reviews are not evergreen content. If I say what are the new AI tools in August 2025, then it is limited to August. It is not about ever for every years. It's just about for the August. And if I say how to grow your social media, if I does not specific it to how to grow social media in August or how to grow social media in 2025, then it's not limited content. It's evergreen content. If I say how to grow social media for how to grow social media simply, then it's evergreen content. It can be useful for a long period of time, but if I specify it, it is just for a limited period of time. So that's all about evergreen content. And trending content is also not evergreen. It's just trending. Maybe it's trend for 1 month, maybe it's trend for 1 week or 1 year. That's enough. But evergreen content is lost for a long period of time, and sometimes it's lost for every time. So what the most like the gurus in the fields, they focus on evergreen content. When you are making content, you try to make evergreen content that will be generating revenue for a long period of time. So try to make evergreen content. So if you have any question, then comment. I will explain your answer. So subscribe to my channel.